car show at flcarshow.com.
Lovers, look at this. This is what they call car show. Car show right here. You don't even know what got inside there. That thing's all covered up. All you can see is the high dollar billet hinges, some intakes, chrome radiator things, and a cover. Supercharger cover? I don't know. It says ZL1 inside there, so we might have a 700 horsepower ZL1 hiding under there. That would be awesome, right? Look at this custom interior. Wow. Wow. Roll bar, complete dash, EFI programmer, power windows. Super clean. Show car right there. This is show winner. Inside and out. Oh, even the trunk is done. Look at that. Nicer carpet than my house. You want to see some more cool Novas? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you guys on the next Florida Car Show.